I'm thinking about getting a drone, so let's go comparison shopping together. In this video, I'm going to compare these three drones, Mini 2, Mini 3, and Mini 4 by DJI. There are rules in Canada for flying a drone. I don't want to get a drone pilot license and I don't want to register it, so I'm limited to mini drones that weigh under 250 grams. Starting with the DJI Mini 2 SE, it weighs under 250 grams. It is beginner friendly, which is what I am. It has features I absolutely need, like this one-touch takeoff and landing. It has smart return to home feature. Max flight time is 31 minutes in the air. It can fly in winds up to 38 kilometers per hour. On paper, DJI is claiming it has 10-kilometer video transmission, but in reality, I've read that you only get a fraction of that. It has things called quick shots. There are 5 types of pre-programmed quick shot maneuvers. There's the helix and the droney, which you see a lot of people doing, where the drone takes off and people wave at it. There's the rocket, the circle, and last of all, there's the boomerang, but the DJI website was not showing me what boomerang looked like, but you can imagine. It has panorama capabilities. You can select from sphere, wide angle, and 180 degrees. Important to know that it does not do 4K video and it does not have the follow me object tracking feature. DJI markets this model towards kids. At Best Buy, it'll set you back about $420 Canadian taxes in. And at Costco, it will cost about $460 Canadian taxes in. It comes with 2 extra batteries and a carrying case. So that covers DJI Mini 2 SE. Next up is the DJI Mini 3. This drone does shoot 1080p at 120 frames per second or 4K at 60 frames per second. You have the option of a remote control with integrated screen. It has better battery life. You can do true vertical, meaning it can record video straight down. It has tri-directional obstacle sensing, forwards, backwards, and below, but it doesn't have left, right, or above. So that's it in a nutshell. This model is marketed towards families and it'll set you back about $678 taxes in. Depending on the model you get, it can also go up to $862. Okay, finally I'll go over the DJI 4. It has better obstacle sensing. It has follow me feature called active track. It has better range. The drone can travel further away from the remote control. It can stay up in the sky longer. It has better battery life. DJI markets this towards professionals. Honestly, it probably has more features than I would ever use. So now the cost. Taxes in, it'll cost between $1,200 and $1,600 Canadian. All right, so those are the 3 types of drones, and it all comes down to how much am I willing to spend for this? Maybe next year I'll splurge on a DJI Mini 3. I like that the 3 is under $1,000, but we shall see. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.